Howdy, Jeff. This is more 347 doing for you. Two-stripper's combination. Got our SCAT head, custom grind hydraulic roller. Obviously, you must have your own induction. We're just kind of running our dyno stuff as far as ignition too. Got that Moroso front sump. Got a SCAT crank in it, rotating kit, custom DSS Pistons. Wonder back we're on, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 416 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 433, peak horsepower 436, rated 425. You see that 441, that's a kind of a glitch at the end there, but 436, rated 425, so it runs good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here. Receive your engine, find a single or credit card, USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number and some other specs. Basically, if you need from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. The QR code, that'll take you to some more tech stuff. Have a great day.